How to remove Clyde bot on Discord. Firstly, you need to open Discord on your device. But before that, let me inform you one thing on about removing Clyde bot on Discord. So when I made a research on removing Clyde bot on Discord, I got this result that as of now, the Clyde bot is a built-in feature of Discord and cannot be removed by users. You can disable the Clyde bot from responding to your messages by right-clicking on its profile picture and selecting Disable Clyde. Or however, you will still see messages from the Clyde bot in other channel. So as this is the built-in features of Discord and this is not really a bot as well because people have blamed this as it's not really a Clyde bot. So we are not able to remove the Clyde bot on Discord as of now. If you got any updates regarding this feature, then I will surely tell you about this and you'll be able to remove Clyde bot on Discord. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.